get the straw and then you blow. The watercolor pillar starts with the A. And then for caterpillar. Okay, practice na lang kids.
Mga to. Bakit? Kala mo ah.
Thank you. Ay, pareho. Isuot mo. Video to video. Ano yan? Ay, nahulog na. Pakinig lang ko eh. Palagrasyon yun, a friendly reminder from Kidsuna is sleeping and eating inside the playground is not allowed. Once tayo ni Lala Chat kasi magdadance si Lala Chat ko. Okay kids, sa harap ko na tayo ni Lala Chat ko. Backward po, pwede nyo rin pong sabayan si Lala Chat sa pagdadance. Sideward. Okay, sideward daw po. Hands up. Shake your hands. Spin around, jump, spin around, jump, spin around, jump, spin around. Oh, that was fun! 1, 2, 3, let's go! Jump, spin around. Yes, ang kagaling naman. Okay, kids, magkakaroon tayo ng easy. Sing, sing, up in the treasure. Sparkling night sky, the sun is so bright. Fluffy and soft, white clouds in the sky. Around the big tree, we are all together. Let's dance! Chasing your dreams with your hands in the sky. Just be brave, you can do anything. La 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 la, be happy and smile. Let's jump! And if you ever feel so frightened, my friend, I'm always here to cheer you up. The kindness in everyone's heart will make the world a better place.
Listen. Butter